automotive lovers. Today, AutomagzHR will discuss the super luxury car, namely the Lexus LC 500 Convertible 2025. This car is the latest generation of the LC 500 Convertible, which previously amazed the world.
The 2025 Lexus LC 500 Convertible comes with a more elegant and modern design. The front of the car is equipped with an updated Lexus spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sporty bumper, so this car looks so stunning. Oh, yes. The rear of this car is also very stylish, equipped with sleek LED lights and a sporty diffuser. Wow, that's really amazing. What about the advanced features? Come on, let's take a look. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 Convertible is equipped with various advanced features, such as ABS and EBD braking systems, VSC stability control system, ADAS driver assistance system, Lexus premium sound system infotainment system, convertible roof that can be opened and closed easily. Wow, this is truly amazing. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 Convertible is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine that produces 471 horsepower. This car can accelerate from 0–100 km/h in 4.6 seconds. Wow, it's really amazing. Well, AutomagzHR Friends, when will this car be released? According to information, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 Convertible is scheduled to be launched in late 2024. The car will be available in a variety of colors and trim options. Wow, you have to wait patiently. AutomagzHR Friends.
The 2025 Lexus LC 500 Convertible is the right choice for those who want a luxurious and sporty car to enjoy a pleasant journey. So guys, that's a glimpse of the 2025 Lexus LC 500 Convertible. What do you think? Are you interested in this car? Give your opinion in the comments column, friend. Thank you very much for watching the video from AutomagzHR, and see you in the next video.